warning service possible. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. In southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Huntington, Middlesex, Monmouth, Lawrence, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Ealing, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. Here at the
Very good. I got first RWT for New York Cities. I got it.
distances from the transmitter occur even though you are using a good quality receiver. The warning alarm sound is activated for hazardous conditions. The stations you are listening to and the counties we alarm for are listed in a statement at the top of each hour.
Very good. Very good, damn. I got it! The 4th of July starts tomorrow. Real nights on 9 p.m. This is not good effect. No alerts will be used to watch warnings. The severe weather, rain, flash warning, all conditions. Brutal got back up in sunny area on the ground with the haze. So, no, only had to do, they only would do both. Dodo Z55, KSI 56, Dodo WWG55, and KXI 56. It's bound to the officer too. And he's the officer. Now wait for the all WTs now over the 30 right now. Over the 35. Yeah, the issue with blue. What the heck is here? Why you burn it?
Occasionally to 9 feet after midnight. A chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Sunday, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet, occasionally to 10 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday night, southeast winds around 15 knots. Seas 6 to 9 feet, occasionally to 11 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. This is your NOAA weather radio station KGT 68, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in League City, Texas. This is the 3:45 a.m. Upper Texas Coast Type information for Galveston Channel. Time. Especially bill receivers can be automatically automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. Even though you are using a good quality receiver, it is quality receiver in perfect working order, provide the most consistent and dependable warning service. The warning alarm will make the most consistent and dependable warning warning the following warning alarm will be regulated for users. This is a test of the NOAA radio's warning device. This is a test of the NOAA radio's warning device. Times for today, high time.
What's that? The Algorithm Visitor!
For today, high time 11.
I got the field right now. You can completely spotted. They're completely off field right now. KS178 is particularly off field. Wait.